Alright guys, today I want to show you another method how to get results for a car dealership. So this method is not paid advertising, but it still kind of requires money, and you will see. But the beauty of this method that it gets results, it gets calls, it gets leads for car dealerships. And the thing is, it's gonna work for both, whether it's used car dealership or new car dealership. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna be showing you the platform I use to get results, and also I'll walk you through how to create the post and how to create basically an ad. And I'll explain in a second how it's all together working. And this platform, this method that I'm using, you can easily offer the part of your new package or a part of your services, because some of them you most likely see that car dealership using this method, but I'll show you the way around how you can offer the value in this method and how you can actually make extra few grand. And this is what I've been doing when I was just starting working with car dealerships, so I was kind of partnering up and was offering this service. So it's pretty cool stuff. So it's going to be showing you two pretty cool ways how to make not only a service and how to get results for car dealerships, but also how you can make extra couple grand a month just offering and talking to different car dealerships. So it's pretty cool stuff. So right now let's jump on a computer and I'm going to be showing you everything inside, how to start it, how to run the platform, and how is everything working together. Alrighty guys, so here we are on a computer, and you will be surprised how many car dealers underutilize this platform. From my experience, it's 30 to 50% car dealers do not use this platform, which is just blows my mind, because the potential is this is where people buy a car. So the platform is a Craigslist. So before you say, oh come on Alex, everybody knows about Craigslist and stuff like that, stay with me guys, stay with me till the end, and I will show you how you can switch around places and go around and provide your services and get results for car dealership with this platform, because a lot of people do not use properly. And I'll show you the method that I do to get better results, to higher ranking, and to sell more cars with Craigslist. So this platform, from my experience guys, like literally from 30 to 50% car dealers do not use, which is just crazy, because I personally found my car, I bought my car here from Craigslist, and probably a lot of you knows that you can get people buying the cars from Craigslist. But a lot of car dealers, you will be surprised, do not use a Craigslist. And there is a reason for that, because if you're a car dealer, and I'm going to be showing you right now just in a second, because if you're a car dealer, you have to pay a fee for each ad. So basically it's $5 per post per your car. So usually it gets them, so basically if they post 50 or 100 cars a month, so it's around, you can do the math, around $500 to $1,000 a month. But I'm going to be showing you guys a few ways how you can go around this thing, and also how to make a post, and I will walk you through how you can offer this part of service. And you can literally charge $2,000 for the like total price, and $1,000 for posting ads, and $1,000 for a service, because a lot of car dealers, they don't want to mess, they want to deal with that, they just want to run the business, they don't want to do the posting. And some of them, they ask they staff to post for them. But I'm going to be showing you the benefit that you will have against the staff, or how you can go around this place. So first thing, I want to walk you through how you create the ad. So first thing here, you don't actually have even to create an account, but if you have, it's pretty cool. So once you're on Craigslist, obviously you choose your city, but after you do that, here on the left side, you click on post to classify. Then on this page, here's a few options. So first one, you're gonna choose for sale by dealer. Then you choose that. Here's a bunch of the services. So you're gonna choose car and trucks by dealer, and as you see, it's $5 per post. So you click here, and just like that, you're gonna put a title of your car. Let's say it's Honda 2010. Then the price, you can do like a down payment, it's $795 down. Then you put your location, let's say Austin, code. So after that, we come into the part where we need to do a post and body about our car. And this is the most important part of creating here a post, to make it ranking higher, so you can get more results, and the post is gonna be more visible. So the thing is here, so let me give you an example right now. So let me grab one of the cars from one of my clients. So I want to just copy some of the keywords that they have, so you can basically have a visual idea how to do that. So basically, look, this is about the vehicle description. They have pictures here and all here. These pictures, you don't want to put all of the pictures your car dealer has, but basically we copy the main thing. I just copied, you paste in here. Okay, I did not copy, so I go back here and I copy all the vehicle description. Okay, just like that. So here's the thing, so number one tip, you always want to we'll say Honda 2010. So you want at least 3 times. I know it's 3 times. If you mention 3 times in your body the vehicle name and model, the model of your vehicle and year, that helps ranking. So this is number one thing, you want to at least mention 3 times name of your vehicle. Then next thing, as more description you put about the specific vehicle, as better. So Craigslist sees this as in sees this as in like the post that is more engaging and gives more information, so people stay more time basically reading the post and spending more time on the specific post. Craigslist determines that as in like, okay, the people most like interested, so it starts promoting for you and ranking it higher. So second tip is just make sure to put as much description as you can. So just copy all this stuff and put it right here. All right, just like that. And after that, also make sure to fill out all this information. Okay, and then you'll just go through the process, and it's not gonna allow me probably because I didn't fill all of that, but let's see. But then you just go through this process. Okay, cool. As you see, then I skip the adding the pictures, but here you can add in the images. And as you see, as more information you have, as better, as helps a lot, guys, with ranking and with promoting your cars that you want to help sell for your customer, for your car dealership customer. Then you just click publish, and it's $5 per post. But here's the thing. Why car dealership owner will want you to do this job? First, you will tell them that you know how to rank better your cars on Craigslist, which will lead to more sales for him. Second thing, that you offer other services, like Facebook advertising, or also YouTube ads, and all this stuff that you can provide for him to get him results. So he will most likely, and also Instagram and all that stuff. So basically, he will see you as an authority that you know what you're doing, and most likely, and just using this Craigslist thing, I guarantee your customers will get calls and sell more cars, and you know that for sure. But now I want to show you another cool way what you can do to make literally this. I've done myself when I was starting, how you can go out there and actually make even a deal with a car dealer and sell cars and kind of partner up. So here's the thing. Again, you're gonna go create a post, but you're gonna click again post to classified ads, whatever, and here on this page you're gonna choose for sale by owner. But here's the thing, you're gonna choose for sale by owner, and as you see, they do not charge you anything for posting as an owner. So Craigslist just charges, if you're a car dealer and you post in a car, they charge $5. But if you're the owner, as you see, it's free. You can post your car for sale. But now you're probably gonna ask me, okay, Alex, but it's kind of, I don't have a car, and I sell my car dealer cars in here. But here's the thing, what you can do, go talk to the car dealer that you work with and say, hey, are you okay with split the profits if I'm gonna post your car, because I'm gonna be like an owner, represent that I own this car, and I'm gonna post the car for you, and we're gonna split 50-50 the profits of the car. So you can save $500 to $1,000 on ads on a specific car that you want to promote on Craigslist. So this is huge, guys. So this is, you can exactly go and tell him, hey, give me this car, okay? Just give me this car for a week, let's say. and then post the ad here, the post on a Craigslist that but by the owner. So first you saving money, right? You then do not promote that car as a car dealer. So you will take the car and promote that. So you're gonna sell in cash. And here's the thing, what you can do. So you talk to him and negotiate the deal for the specific car that you want to sell for him. So for example, if they do financing or stuff like that, you're gonna negotiate the deal to do the cash special price, and you will promote that car as an owner here on Craigslist, and then people are gonna contacting you obviously to ask the car, to see the car, and then you're gonna whenever people will come to see the car, you're gonna say, hey, it's, this is cash special, this is what you offer, and then you close the deal, you sell the car, and you then you go and do the all paperwork with the car dealer, and he provides everything for you. So basically, this method actually is gonna work for you if you want to, it takes your time, right? Because you have to post by yourself, then you gotta meet people who want to see car, answer calls. Yes, it's tedious work and it takes some time, but if you have time, if you have time and you're totally broke, this method is gonna work for you, because you're gonna literally go talk to the car dealers and they understand the value behind this, and you can literally make a few grand just doing this method and offering this type of stuff. Alright guys, so this is the two methods that you can literally implement and get results for car dealership, and second way, how you can make extra couple grand just partnering up and offering this type of service. These methods are working. Again guys, if you want to get into car dealership domination program, I'm closing the early bird special, which is $297 this week, by the end of this week. So if you are still wanted to get in, DM me to get the discount coupon, or just watch a webinar that I'm running ads, so you can get the discounted coupon code right there on the webinar. Also, we have a free car dealership mastermind group that you can join. The link will be in the description. Again guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Sing it louder just to let the world know. No, we're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness. We're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness.